What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, my channel, your channel. Right, it's a 2019 Hyundai Elantra, 2019. Show you guys how to take off the trim panel, that handle, and that mirror. Let's get to it. Get a flat head. There is a square tab down inside here, guys. Go ahead and pop that square tab up. But once you guys pop the tab up, there's a Phillips screwdriver inside here, a Phillips. Go ahead and take the screwdriver and fit it. You see that piece right there, guys? Go ahead and take that piece from right there. Just stuck your flathead screwdriver right between the groove of it. See that? It pops right out. Now, get your flathead gun. And you're gonna stuck it just like that. Right between the groove. Pry it open. Put it forward towards you. Just like that. Now go up with it now. Take this piece through, guys. This piece right here. Be very careful with this because this tab right here, the tab that loose it will break. Just push this tab back and this piece comes off. Just take your time and push that tab in and this piece comes out. But that tab right there will break for you. Be careful with it. Go ahead and take that plug loose. Take that plug loose, and it comes right off. All right? Now we're gonna take off the mirror. Okay, guys, go ahead and take the wire loose first. Up underneath the wire, go ahead and push that tab up and loose out the wire. Now, you guys see those three nuts? There's three of them. The number 10 socket, guys. Okay? Number 10 socket. Take those three out. For the last one, go ahead and hold the mirror and shake it out. Jerk it, comes right out. Okay? Comes out. Look at that, guys. Number 10 socket, number 10. Now we're going to take out the handle. This handle, you see that plug right there? Take that plug from there. Inside there, guys, that is a number 10 screw. Same thing, number 10 or Phillips. You have a choice. I'm going with the number 10. We're going to turn that screw to the left. Don't worry about the screw falling down. They have a safety tab around it that holds the screw in place. Put your flathead right between the groove of it. Comes right out. comes out. Hold the handle and bring it backward towards you. Just like that. Comes right. Take those out. Do not leave these into the door. Take them out. These are very important. Don't lose them. Okay, guys. That's how you do that. The mirror is off. The handle is out. Trim panel is off. That's how you do that. You can do it too. I'll catch you guys on the next video, baby. Working way, checking out.